everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bonny, and on my channel we speak everything about makeup and skincare. The title would have told you, so on today's video we're going to see how to do the simplest smoky eye, the eye that I've just created. I'll call it the simplest because no fallouts. It's a smoky eye which you can do even after you've done your complete makeup. Normally for a smoky eye you do your eyes first and then do your makeup because there's a lot of fallout. So this smoky eye is something that you can just, even you're completely ready, you're dressed up, you have your makeup on, and all of a sudden you think, I think a smoky eye would go better with this look. So you can quickly do the smoky eye with the makeup that you've already done. So if you want to know how to create this smoky eye, keep on watching.
Welcome to my face. Yes, we'll be using a cream eyeshadow pencil, and that's why I said that you can do it even after you do your complete makeup, because with a cream eyeshadow, you would not have any fallouts. So today I'm using the Magnetic Matte Eye Color Crayon in the shade Cocoa. So I'm just trying to color the entire eyelid, and if you see, I'm trying to show you that I have hooded eyes. So for people who have hooded eyes, you know that whenever you use an eyeshadow on your eyelid, you if you stop it just by the crease, after some time you see it transferring from your lower eyelid to the upper eyelid. So right now I'm carving and seeing, first I'm measuring, I'm seeing when I open my eyes wide, where does my lower eyelid touch? So I've taken that point and I'm not stopping the eyeshadow just by the crease. I'm going a little bit higher than the crease level. So even after 2-3 hours, if my eyeshadow transfers from the lower eyelid to the upper part of the eyelid, it's still okay because we have the eyeshadow all over there. So after I use the cream eyeshadow, I am using a it's a densely packed brush. However, it's still a bit flexible because it's a cream eyeshadow. We need a little bit of density in the brush that we use. So I am I'm buffing out the edges of the eyeshadow. So this, you need a little bit of patience to do that, because this is how the smoky eye looks a bit smoky. And that is only when you have the edges blended out. You need a very smooth blending at the edges. If the edges are very sharp, it would not look good. It would not look smoky enough. It would just look like a cut crease. Now I need a transition shade to improvise the blown out effect. So I've just used a very fluffy brush with my bronzer dipped in it. So your bronzer is always your best transition shade. It's gotten a bit messy while doing the cream shadow, but we can also always fix it. So first I'm using the same brown shade, the cream shade, and using it just below my eye. I'm using a black kohl pencil in my waterline and my tight line. Never forget to do your tight line because that is what will tie up the entire look. Now I'm also doing my eyeliner with the same black pencil. And it's okay if it's looking all messed up, because the messed up is what makes the smoky eye look smoky. So I'm smudging out the black liner into the brown shade that we have. I'm doing it first on the top of my eyelids, and then I'm doing the same to my lower eyeline as well. I normally don't like to bring a darker eyeshadow to the inner corner, but this, because it's a dark smoky eye, just for the lower line, I'm going to take it into the inner corner of the eye, but I'm going to do something which would brighten up the inner eye corner as well. Blending is the key for a smoky eye, so blend till you have the satisfaction that it is smoked out perfectly. So now I'm using a concealer because we know that there was a little bit of mishap that happened. We had the cream eyeshadow mess up on the sides, but it's very easy to clean it up. I know we do have all our makeup, but I'm just cleaning it up with a little concealer, and because the concealer is a little bright, I'm buffing it away with my foundation brush, the brush that I use to put on my foundation. And after this, if you still feel that the color is different, you can again go ahead with your blush brush or your highlight brush. I just now also used the brush that I used to set my under eye. So this was the trick that I was talking about. So now the inner corners, you can either use a light colored, a beige color to brighten your inner eye. I just use the setting powder. Now, to keep the cream shadow off creasing so that it stays for a longer time, more than 5 to 6 hours, I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow. It's a powder eyeshadow, and I'm setting the entire cream shadow in place. And now I'm using the same bronzer and blending it out so that everything is tied in together. So every time you do something to your smoky eye, blending it out and smoking out the edges is very important. So now I'm showing you the other eye as well. So always do not expect your eyes to be twins. They can be sisters, but not twins. So it's not perfectly or exactly the same. So now the other eye was a bit round shaped, but the left one we had a little more spoked out. So I'm looking at the other eye. I'm seeing how the shape comes. It is so far below my eyebrow. So I'm using concealer and I'm trying to blend off the darker eyeshadow that came a little bit above. Again, use your transition shade to blend out the edges, and voila, your smoky eye is ready.
If you don't want to get the nude sticks, you can do it with any eye kohl pencil. You can do it with black, brown, blue, green. Makeup is just fun, so have fun with whatever colors you want to do it. And it's nowhere carved in steel that a smoky eye has to be a black smoky eye or a brown smoky eye, or it has to be a matte smoky eye. You can even take a little bit of glitter and put it over the matte, and it's still a smoky eye. So when you create a dark smoky eye, always make sure to have brighter under eye. So use a brightening concealer so that your smoky eye doesn't look scary. It looks very well polished and pretty. When you create a smoky eye, make sure not to put a lot of emphasis on the other parts of your face. Like, don't overdo with your blush or don't overdo with your lipstick. Try to keep it very subtle. Wear a nude lipstick and a very pale, a pretty light blush. Please leave your comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button. I upload videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. I am creating a lot of makeup looks. It's a Christmas season, so maybe next time I'll create a very glittery look, a party look. I love glitter. So let's see what I come up with for my next video. I love the way this has turned out. I hope you love it too. Please leave me your comments. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know how you like this video. Let me know if you tried it out, how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.